special bus services which is given by the Rotary Club of Midtown of Panjim. माझ्या उक्तावणाच्या कार्यक्रमात त्याचबरोबर फेलिसिटेशन ऑफ द मेरिटोरियस स्टुडंट्स ऑफ द 10th स्टँडर्ड and 12th स्टँडर्ड. संजय स्कूलाचे चेअरमॅन माझे मित्र बाप गुरुदास पावसकर, गुरु पावसकर. रोटरी क्लबचे प्रेसिडेंट माझे मित्र बाप वेर्लेकर. तसेच गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेक्रेटरी फॉर द एज्युकेशन दिला मोहन. Rest all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, press, media, and my students, friends, सगळ्या भावा आणि बहिणांनो, गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. जागे आसा सगळे. हांव सगळ्यात पहिली चेअरमॅन आणि त्याचा बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हांचे अभिनंदन करता. अभिनंदन एकाच खातीर करता की आमी चेंज पळयता. म्हणजे संजय स्कूल 2010 आसा. ताज्या पयलीं इट इज म्हाका दिसता प्रोविजरिया ह्या सगळ्याच्या अंडर चलयताले. पण अंडर द विजनरी लिडरशिप ऑफ अवर then चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर, who had taken the initiatives and hand over the school to Mr. Guru Pavaskar. तू चेअरमॅन जा आणि हे स्कूल पहिले म्हाका याद आसा 12 नांव निवडून येयल्या उपरांत बऱ्या कॉर्पोरेशनच्यो चेअरमॅनशीप सगळ्यांक जाय आसता, कारण थंय फायदो आसता एकदा किंवा थंयसर वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली आसता. पण संजय स्कूलाच्या हातूंतल्यान आपल्याक वेळ दिवचो पडटा. आपलो मॅक्झिमम वेळ जो आसा त्या संजय स्कूलाक घालचो पडटा. म्हाका दिसता गुरु पावसकर एंड हिज होल टीम हॅज टेकन इट एज अ चॅलेंज. हांव ताका तयारी जातालो. हाऊ मच टायम यू आर स्पेंडिंग फॉर युअर बिझनेस काय म्हणून तो म्हाका म्हणटालो टायमूच मेळना आपल्याक. मॅक्झिमम टायम संजय स्कूलानूच वता. सगळ्या भुरग्यांच्या घरा कडेन वचप, सगळ्या टिचर्सांच्या बरोबर वचप, नवीन इनोव्हेटिव्ह ताचेर विचार करप आणि नवीन इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवन स्टार्ट करप. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन फॉर ऑल द टीचर्स ऑल्सो. रियली यू आर डुईंग द हार्ड वर्क आणि खरोखरच म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी जपान ताच्या खातीर ताळयो मारतात. आमची रिक्वेस्ट आशिल्ली दिव्यांग सेल सुरू करतो म्हणून. जस्ट आमच्या सेक्रेटरी कडेन डिस्कस करतालो. देर इज अ स्पेशल ऑफिसर टू लुक आफ्टर द स्पेशल स्कूल. But if they require to start with the Divyang school, Divyang cell, definitely already I had asked her to come with the notification to start with the Divyang cell. Under that Divyang cell, we can start with the Divyang Skill Development Center. Again, the Skill Development Ministry is with me, so definitely we'll start with the another Divyang Skill Center. माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी विजन आसा, all should come into the mainstream. Of course, they are the special, but they want to come to the mainstream. And for them to bring to the mainstream, we want to start with the Divyang Skill Centers. Definitely in Goa, we'll start with the 2 Divyang Centers, one in the north and one in the south. In coming year, we'll start so that
we are in a dire need of a speech therapist, but there is not a single speech therapist available in Goa because there is no college for speech therapy. But in the system, in the process, the whole thing has stuck for last more than a year, and we are not able to have speech therapists, which is need of the hour. So because to get rid of all these things, to have proper manpower, proper trained staff, these things are required. I take this opportunity to thank our teachers and non-teaching staff. I think we need to give a big round of applause to our teachers who work very hard for the interest of the students. My sincere thanks to Rotary Club of Panjim Midtown, their members, my friend Ashish, who has been always forthcoming with whenever I tell him something we need funds to do this activity or do this project. He is always ready with the funds. We don't have to go around looking for funds. He is the first person to say yes, so we will get a sponsor and we'll do this. Penter has sponsored this first and we are thankful to them.
But this is indeed a very special function because of all the effort that our friends have put in under the able guidance of their very experienced and supportive teachers and parents. We are all indeed very proud of them, and they are the stars and achievers of Goa for us. It is also really nice to see a company coming forward and sponsoring something really useful for this school as well as for the children here in the form of the hydraulic lift bus that we inaugurated today at the hands of the Honorable CM. I especially congratulate Penter for taking this initiative, and I wish and hope that other companies also will come forward and under corporate social responsibility contribute similarly to other special schools as well.